Hi guys, this is Sadik from Radwan.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to force launch the Google's Circle to Search app on any Android phone. So as you might be aware, to initiate this app, you only have to long press the gesture bar pill or the home button, and the Circle to Search is now activated as you could see over here. But in some cases, it might happen that the app might not launch even after doing so. So if you're also having this issue, and if you're not able to launch the Circle to Search app on your phone, then in this video I'll show you various ways of rectifying this issue. So let's get started. The first one is via the non-root, whereas the next two methods requires the root. So with that said, the first one is you have to simply install the MICTS app from the GitHub page. So go to the GitHub page, get hold of the APK file from here, and once you've got the APK file, simply install the APK onto your phone. This is the APK file. Simply launch it, install it, and once that is done, you will now just have to launch the app. And as soon as you launch the app, the Circle to Search will automatically be launched. Let me show you. This is the app. I tap on this and you could see the app is now up and running without any issue whatsoever, and it's not working well and good over here, as you could see over here. So it's quite a handy app. You only have to launch the app once. As soon as you do so, it will automatically invoke the Circle to Search app on your phone, and it's not working well and good. But if this app is not working on your phone, then you have to take the help of a root method. In this regard, first off, you have to install you have to first and foremost obtain root on your phone. So obtain root by the Magisk kernel SU or Apache, then install the LSPOS onto your phone as well. I made a separate guide and a video on the same. You could refer to my guide and the video and get the job done. Once you install the LSPOS as well, now once again install the MICTS app onto your phone. So once you install the MICTS app once again, let me show you that. So let's install the app once again, and this time we have installed the LSPOS as well. So you will now get a prompt that mod is not yet activated. So tap on this notification. It's not a cause of any concern. Simply manually launch the app from here. Go to LSPOS, modules, and from here select MICTS and enable the toggle next to this module. Once that is done, make sure that the system framework and the Google app are checkmarked. Now do a restart of the phone, and after the restart, now once again try to open this app and see what happens. So as you could see, it's now again working well and good, and we have Circle to Search. So you can also use this approach to get the job done. Still, if you're having any issue using this app, then let's ditch this app and use one more way of getting the job done. So please install, first off, obtain root by the Magisk Apache or kernel SU. Once you obtain root, install the GMA Flag app from the official GitHub page. Once you install the GMA Flags app onto your phone, just give me a second, let me do that as well. GMA Flags app, launch it, and then you have to give it the root access as well. So open the app, start, request root. Now tap on grant. It has got the root access. Request for notification or not, it's completely optional. And with this, we are now inside the app. First off, go to the app section and choose the Google app from here. This is the Google app. Now tap on search a package. Go to my guide, and you may simply open this guide on my phone as well, and then copy this package name. So just give me a second. It will be much easier for me as well if I open this guide on my phone. So it will take just a few seconds because manually typing it will take ages and there might be some mistake as well. Simply open my guide onto your phone. This is the guide over here. Okay, just give me a second. This is the guide. Open it, and from here copy the name. The flag name is over here, the package name. In fact, this is the package name. Copy the package name, paste the package name over here inside the Google app, and we have got the package. Choose the package, and now you have to add a new flag. As of now, I already done that, but in your case, you have to tap on the overflow icon, and from there tap on add a flag, and then you have to type in the following values. The type of flag should be boolean, the value should be true. In the name of the flag, you have to type in this number 45631784. You may again simply copy the value from here and copy it and paste the value here. Once that is done, just tap on add flag and the flag will be added. As you could see, this flag is now added onto our phone. Once that is done, do a restart. After a restart, launch the app, and now you'll be able to use it without any issue whatsoever. As you could see, if you're still not able to use it, then please force stop the Google app and do a force restart of the Google app around 4 to 5 times until it works. So as you could see in the app as well, it has told you. Let me show you over here. that to apply the flag you need to click 4 stops many times in the app info. So please do so for the Google app around 4 to 5 times until it's now working. So go to Google app info, tap on 4 stop and keep on doing so until the circle to search is working on your phone. Once that is done, you will not face any issue whatsoever. So guys, these were the 3 approaches using which you could enable this feature on your phone. The first one is quite simple. Simply install the MICTAS app and launch it. It will launch the circle to search app right now on your phone. Then if this is not working, then offline root on your phone, install the LSPOS module, and after that enable MICTAS, then do a restart. After a restart, you must then tap on MICTAS. It will then launch the circle to search, or you may also use the GML flag app. Open the flags app, then make a new flag. Okay, choose this activity inside the Google app and then add a new flag, and the flag name is this one. The flag value is true and it's a boolean flag. Then save, tap on add flag and do a restart. And you also have to do a 4 stop of the Google app around 4 to 5 times until the feature is up and running. So carry out this tweak, and if you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.